Alright guys, I have here a Milwaukee. This is 1400 pound. This thing is good, man, trust me. With a 5 amp battery. So I'm just gonna unscrew this here. There you go. As you can see, took it all the way out there. Yeah, Milwaukee, man. That's it. There you go. He has a small washer here. He has the cushion there. On this side. Yeah, you can reuse these. I mean, they're in pretty good condition. And this comes up here. See there? Yeah. Just snap it out there. Yeah, I'm gonna try to unscrew the top there now, and then I'm gonna pull this down a little like this, pull it down, and once it's pulled down, it's gonna ease the tension here, and this should slide on. Right. As you can see here, I went ahead and took the shocks out. I got a new one here. You're kind of messed up right now. Right now I'm under the car. I went and reused the same cushion here. There's a rubber. It's kind of original one with a washer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this here, push it in, let it go in all the way, and then I'm gonna put the shock in. Once you push it in, there you go, it goes in, and then it's easy to put a shock on. Go ahead and put it up. So, there. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it up there, in the hole up there. This gonna slide in the bolt right here. Alright. There you go. Got it in back there. Same way I took it out, the same way I put it back in there. So it's simple. Bottom. To see here. The car. That's the one there. Yeah. Easy. Very simple. Just take your time. That's all. Have patience. You know, if the ball is a little rust, just give it some WD-40 before, you know. And I recommend using the torque gun. Don't just put in number 3 full speed and try to break the nut. Just try 1, then 2. Give it a little WD-40 first, and then try number 2 or 1 to unscrew it. If not, just give it a third. And don't just, you know, unscrew. Just that. Give it a little test first, because you could break the whole thing out there. You know, you could yank it out. You don't want that right now. So there you go. I did the right side and the left side here. So both of them are new struts now. So should be good for inspection. Yeah. Simple process. Alright guys. So go ahead and do yours, man. It's very simple. Just make sure you don't need to jack the car up and stuff. There's no need for that. Just take your time, unscrew it, put it back the same way you got the other one. That's all. Yeah.